Now, isn't that amazing? Aha! Nice dirt track. Good morning, YouTube. This is Ben back again on a ride after a really long time. I did manage to screw up my health. That was me and nothing else. But then been over a month since I've been taking rest, and this is the first ride. Just going to some nearby places to explore. I am done doing roads that I've done already. I've done the Golden Quadrilateral of India. I've done South India, extensive riding in South India. It was a phase in life where there was no stopping me. I mean, every young biker or self-proclaimed biker goes through this phase in life where they all have their peak phase. They ride around a lot, and they just don't stop. They keep munching miles. So that was me too. That's better. Look at that. Okay. Look at that, dear fellas. This is something. This is indeed something. My. Something about water bodies, you know. Nothing. There's absolutely nothing that can compare to the sheer joy of being able to see water. Especially water like this, a huge water body. To Honda Activa, the scooter that works the best for most of us. Okay. The best way to do this is this, and then keep the bike in gear, pull the side stand out, sit on it, and go up, lean a bit, gently, hold on the front, and here we go. No fuss. Tractor along. Thanks, na. Haha! Now, isn't that amazing? Ah, the road ends here, is it? No fun. Well, that's another entry. We'll keep going forward. We'll see if we can find something interesting. Nice eucalyptus forest. Again, a road that leads you into the forest, or another one that takes you out of it. We'll see what we need to pick. Bit of a low stuff. Keep going, keep going, keep going. The thing with novice is you can trust your instincts and you can keep going. Keep munching miles. Woohoo! Where am I at? Looks like a frequented road. I mean, you like something, you can do it. You don't have to be afraid of anything. Nope, 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 no, not this, not this. I thought it was taking me somewhere. It wasn't. Aha! Nice dirt track. Come on then, come on. And there's a bit of a cemented edge too, which I best not climb. Because if I do, I'm getting it nice and hard. Lovely farmlands, grasslands, whatever it is that you want to call this. Woo! Look at that, baby, look at that. Picture time, I guess. Wow. There we go. We got Himi dirty again. But that's alright. That's what it's meant to be. One ride in the dirt and it ought to get dirty. That's me at Shell now, having breakfast. That's my coffee. That's curry leaves and idlis, mini idlis, small ones.